project. I'm going to redo my whole garden, and I'm going to create I'm going to do some raised bed. Everyone is doing that, and I think it'll make easier for everyone to do gardening. So again, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'll figure it out. Hi, Bethany. Bethany, let's go back to work. You gonna help me with this? Alright, let's go.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. I saw the guy that she was waiting for.